Hey guys, welcome back to another Budgie Marx video. Today we're going to be reacting to my very first video. Something I'm gonna do. Let's react.
Alright, we're going to the pool?
Yes.
Alright, let's go to the
Back
pool.
then, when times were simpler.
Let's go to the pool today.
Just so you know, this video is dumb and short.
Alright, let's go. We're going to be
With more yellow.
We're going to have a fun time.
Eyes all
We're going through the
dirty.
We're going to this highway that way, but we're just going to walk. We're going to walk this way because the highway is bad. No one's here right now.
It's my place.
Here's the pool.
No,
How do you go through?
it's one of my friends.
Me like it's closed. How are we gonna get in?
Find me.
Oh no, I don't want to.
Let's do the find me.
No.
Okay, fine. Bye.
Well, I think there could be another way in. Jump over right on you.
Oh, don't show.
So
The
can
video
I.
has no
Looks like
ads.
we will be having a pool day after all.
I mean,
Now, what do you think?
I don't know. I find
my first video is pretty good. Coming out soon. It's Yuki's second day. Don't miss it. And also don't miss out
coming this way.
on,
Let's go.
I think it was Saturday. Yeah, Saturday.
Yeah, they're headed that
I was
way.
reacting to
They're
it.
headed that way. Let's go
You know,
this
the
way.
battle, Budgie Marx Battle Arena.
Okay, wait.
Fine,
From the
alright.
last video, I said so.
I'm still doing the behind the scenes trick, but yeah. Hope you guys still enjoy
Fine.
this video.
Oh,
And hope everyone's doing a good day. So yeah, let's continue.
been a
with the
while.
behind the scenes.
Okay.
Alright, guys.
Looks like this is the end of the video.
Yeah, this is
But if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe.
part 2.
Yes.
Part 2.
Part 2, lol. Part 2. Alright, looks like that will be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you please enjoy, like, subscribe, and share. Ring that bell for notifications so you don't miss the content. Now, let's see. I think you guys might be able to help me to get a new cord for the laser on PS2 because it's damaged. I don't know if you can see that, but right there, that circle right there. And then the spoiled milk location and the one where CGP gives Angel a toy. So yeah, that'll be all. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye. Actually, what I meant to say was see you guys next Friday. I mean, see you guys Friday. Bye.